All right, so good afternoon, wherever you're watching. If you're watching in Africa or in Asia, any country, and welcome back to this channel. And like I said, I was supposed to be posting videos at least once a week, but based on my schedules, I think I'll be doing it every weekend, maybe Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But I'm sure I'll be posting every week. So here, I have just two pairs to analyze. One is the Euro USD, and the second is gold. And if you can follow this my analysis and watch this video to the end, I'm going to show how I see gold. I see the market with these two pairs at least in the coming weeks after Trump's inauguration. And we know that's what we've been waiting for. This volatility is coming, and for these two pairs, first, the Euro USD is still very much bearish from the monthly time frame because I'm a multiple time frame analysis. That's what I use, though I'm more of the fundamental trader, but I use the technical analysis as my gatekeeping to confirm my entries. But if you check, if you are more of a technical trader, you understand that Euro USD has been on a bearish trend since October last year, 2024. So this year is still very much bearish. I can see maybe liquidity is being swept, or I don't know, or the pair is trying to pick some buy orders to the upside, because once Trump enters the White House, as we all know, he's of the protectionist view of the US dollar. There might be interest rate cuts, there might be tariff wars, there might be trade wars. Anything could happen. So we are, for me, I'm very much bearish on that pair until I see a confirmation of a bullish trend. While on gold, gold is very much bullish. Gold is bullish. The only thing gold can do as we speak is come down, pick some supply orders, and move to the upside. Gold has been on a bullish move since think since June of last year, 2024. The moment it crossed at 2,450 per ounce, I think, yeah, thereabout. So this analysis, this presentation is very much going to be on these two pairs. I'm going to analyze gold and Euro USD using the multiple time frame analysis, starting from the monthly time frame down to the 4-hour time frame, where I pick my turns, I pick my entries. So do very well to follow this channel. Just give it a like, give it your comment, and share my content. This is a new channel, I just wanted to grow. And the most important part of it is the name of the channel has been changed to Trading Edge with MJ Marcelino Jacob. So make sure you always follow, like, and comment. And my link to my X account, which is Twitter, should be on this description of this video. So do well to follow, and let's get back to. Okay, so here on this screen, I think like I said, I'm analyzing only just two pairs, the Euro USD and the gold. So like I said, I'm not just a technical trader, I'm more a fundamental trader. I use the technicals as my gatekeeping. So me looking at this pair, the Euro USD, from the higher time frame, let's say from the 3 months, which compresses all the time frames to make it even more smaller to understand, we'll see that the pair is on a very much bearish trend. The overall trend is actually bearish. Even a toddler can see, and a toddler can understand it. Me looking at it from, this is since 2008, the pair has been very much bearish. So like I said, here how I trade is I use the multiple time frame analysis to know where my key level should be and where I should be placing my resistance zone, my strong resistance, and my main support zones. So from here, I can actually see a very visible resistance, though price is not going to get here anytime soon, but I always want to put them there for reference purposes. So here happens to be my support, which has been attacked by this price movement. So again, there is another visible support where price is likely coming to touch if it continues crashing further, like I see here. So if If I go to the monthly time frame, as you can see, price is actually attacking this support level. Once it breaks below it, it becomes a resistance, and the next level target is going to be this support, which is at this price level. But before then, there are things that move the market. Apart from the technical perspective, we have the fundamental drivers of the market. So how do I get to see these fundamental drivers? I use the commitment of traders. This is a commission. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission is a regulatory body where the institutions that takes account of the institutional traders, their positions. This body is a commission in the US, where their website is where you get to see the positions of the institutional traders, like the hedge funds, the pension funds, and the large speculators of the forex market. So it helps you to know if you're actually on the right trend, because these guys are the ones that have the liquidity to move the market, not we the retail traders. We have the very small volumes, they have the big volumes. So this commitment of traders here, as you can see, it's been updated every Friday, right? And as you can see, this is euro futures. Remember, I'm analyzing the euro USD. This commercial, non-commercial actually means large speculators. They speculate prices in the market. These guys speculate where price is heading next, if it's going up or down. While the commercials are the large hedgers. These where the hedge funds and the big banks come in. Those that have the liquidity to actually move the market. They hedge the position. These are where the guys that trade the long and short portfolio, this is where they belong. So the non-commercial, check these dates because it's been updated every Friday. But as of last week, they are the euro futures. These guys are more of the long side. They have 17,350 units of long position on the euro futures, while the commercials, which are the hedge funds, they are more of the short side, which is 27,659 short position units. So as you can see, the short traders, the commercials are more of the shorts than the non-commercials, and the commercials are those that have the liquidity that is needed to move prices in the market. That being said, to confirm, I also use the barchart.com, where I get to see, like over there, this is the non-commercial, the large speculators, their position again here. If I go down to the currencies future, this is the euro. Their euro long overall position, the units, they have over 162,760 units on long position, while on the short they have 223,157 units of short position, which means these guys are more short. As of last week, they have added to their short positions. Now if I go to my technical aspect, as we can see, this price is very much bearish. The only thing I'm looking for is a bearish entry. I'm not going to go bullish for any time soon until I see price breaking structure or telling me, okay, it's time to go bearish. Now if I go to the weekly time frame, as we can see, yeah, price came down here, picked some orders, and it's trying to make a kind of retracement or reversal. Anything can happen. But before I can go bearish on this pair, I want to see a daily candle close below this level. Remember, this is a weekly time frame, so I'm not trading off the weekly chart. I'm only using it to know where I'm supposed to place my bets. Now as you can see, price is very much bearish, not bullish. So for me to run on and ride on this trend, I have to wait for pullbacks. I'm entering at the pullback. Remember, you sell high and you buy low in the forex market. So going to the daily time frame, as you can see here, I can see a kind of cluster in this daily range. If I should bring a box to box it up, now this tells me that price is bearish, but temporarily it is ranging inside this small daily range. So all this happens, all this was since last week Friday and this week. So price is very much trading in between this. This is just a choppy market now. So I think the market is waiting for if there is a volatility that is needed for price to either break out of this range above it or below. And we know Monday is Donald Trump inauguration, and he's of the view of the protectionist view of the US dollar. So he's very much trying to make dollar regain back its lost strength, thereby threatening some BRICS nation. He's coming with tariff laws, he's coming with sanctions, he's coming with trade wars with China. That's why if you check the Asian market, it's actually not moving as we speak. So my analysis here, you would say, is for me to trade this pair, I have to see this is where I want to be. Let me make a kind of resistance zone here. So let me see how Fibonacci is going to play out, though I barely use it sometimes. Yes. So now this is as you can see, this candle is resting just inside the 0.5 fib level, which happens most times is a very correct level that tells you, okay, this is a turning point. But then I don't actually sell inside this level. I have to wait for confirmation. That's why I placed a kind of entry line here. I want to see this price, I want to see this breakdown below this line and maybe make a little retest. Then I will enter this trend and ride it to the obvious support, which is here. But then trading this market, I will have to make sure all my fundamental levels are set, my technical levels and my entry levels are together before I can jump onto inside this trend. Again, for me to go bullish, if I'm going bullish on this trend, I have to make sure it's a very temporary movement, because as we can see from the overall time frame, price is very much bearish. But until I see price breaking off of this range and making a daily candle close above this level, then I can decide to go to look for a bullish bias after some pullback. But until then, Euro USD is very much bearish as we speak. So this is my analysis on Euro USD. I have to wait for price to leave this box before I can make any move. If it should break below this level, I will have to wait for pullbacks, go on the 4-hour time frame and enter the trend and move my stop loss accordingly. And I can hold it for weeks because I'm a swing trader, I don't day trade. While on gold is very much bullish, as we can see. The overall market trend on gold is very much bullish, judging from the 3 months time frame, like I always do. Like I said, I always like to map out some levels here, something like this. Yeah, gold left this resistance, and after this consolidation, it made some massive move to the upside. Again, I have to see, I can see a kind of resistance here and a very small support inside this range. But let me get to the monthly time frame. As you can see, gold came back. This was a pullback, picked some orders and is going again. But should price show some signs of trend reversal by showing us a kind of double top on a very higher time frame, then I'll be going bearish on gold. But for now, I'm very much bullish on gold. But before I go bullish, I want to see some pullbacks. Let me box it up. This is a range here. So if I go to my weekly time frame, let network is actually bad this evening. I don't know what's going on, but then let's see what will come up with it. Come up, come up, come up, come up. I don't have time. Yeah, like I said, gold is very much bullish. If I should pull off trend line from here to here, all I'm looking for are pullbacks. I'm not going bearish on gold until I see a kind of break off below this level and a retest below here with a daily candle close. Mind you, this is a weekly time frame. Now, if I go to my daily time frame, yeah, if I go to my daily time frame, as you can see, this is a pullback. Come Monday, I might decide to enter a bullish move, but then I don't always trade like this. Since price have actually reached this level, this was a kind of um, this served as a minor resistance in on a daily time frame before price has come again to test it, and I can see some rejections here showing me that there is likely something like there is a likely bullish bearish trend about to happen inside this range. So I have to wait to see, because the forex market is very dynamic. You have to open your eyes, you have to look what price is doing, you have to make sure you're at the right side and at the right time. And mind you, this is gold, it has a very much volatility unlike other forex pairs. So for me to go bearish, I have to see a 4-hour candle close below this level. If I go to my 4-hour time frame, as you can see, just like I said, on that same level, price rejected by showing a dodge candle here, pushing price down. But again, I might actually, if I pull up my Fibonacci from swing low to swing high, let's see, like I actually said before, the 0.50 happens to be a very nice entry point, but I will have to see confirmation first with a 4-hour candle close above this level for me to start buying. But again, if I should see a 4-hour candle close, 4-hour candle close below this level, then I will start selling gold till it gets to this trend line. Then from this trend line, I will look for buy opportunities. Mind you, the overall time frame is bullish, but temporarily I can decide to go bearish by following pullbacks, making sure I'm entering at the right prices. So this is very much my analysis on gold and Euro USD. Gold is bullish, Euro is bearish. Overall time frame, overall analysis on gold, overall market trend on gold is bullish. Overall market trend on Euro USD is bearish, but temporarily you can switch sides. These temporal movements, I think those to benefit from it to be the day traders and the scalpers. But for me, a swing trader, I'm very careful if I'm going against the overall trend. Gold, I'm looking for buy opportunities until I see an otherwise movement. Euro USD, I'm looking for sell opportunities until price action tells me otherwise. So this is very much my analysis on these two pairs, and consequently I'll be analyzing charts, I'll be analyzing different currency pairs, and again I'll share some in-depth knowledge on what forex is actually, and how the market actually moves. Then I will be explaining the exogenous and the endogenous drivers of the markets, which happens to be the technical aspect of it and the fundamental aspect of it. So do well to comment and do well to follow and subscribe to the channel, and peace. Thank you. I really appreciate for your support, and we'll grow